Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Hulk jump. To begin, understand that this ability is your primary tool for quick repositioning and surprise attacks. It allows you to cover significant distances, often up to 20 meters, in just a few seconds. Mastering its activation and trajectory control will dramatically enhance your mobility and combat effectiveness, making you a formidable presence on the battlefield. Let's dive into the core controls. Activating your Hulk jump is straightforward. Simply press and hold the assigned ability button, usually Q on PC or the left bumper on consoles. As you hold, you'll notice a charge meter or visual indicator, showing the increasing power of your leap. Releasing the button at the optimal charge will propel you forward, allowing you to cover distances ranging from 5 to 25 meters, depending on the charge and terrain. Practice makes perfect for precise landings. Beyond basic movement, the Hulk jump offers advanced tactical opportunities. Consider using it to initiate combat, launching yourself over obstacles to surprise enemies. It's also an invaluable escape tool. A well-timed jump can get you out of a sticky situation in less than 2 seconds. Try combining your jump with a ground pound ability upon landing for a powerful 1-2 punch, or use it to quickly reposition for a flank attack. The possibilities are vast. To truly optimize your Hulk jumps, always be mindful of its cooldown, usually between 10 and 15 seconds. Don't waste it. Practice aiming your trajectory, perhaps in a training area, to consistently land within a 1-meter radius of your target. Environmental awareness is key. Look for high ground for better vantage points or clear escape routes. A well-placed jump can turn the tide of any encounter, giving you a significant advantage over your opponents. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.